from the MommyCon offices. Today we're going to show you how to use the baby Catan in a forward-facing in position. This is a really great carrier for your newborn days, and it can also be used so forward-facing in, forward-facing out. It can be used in a hip carry. It has a lot of different varieties that you can use for this super soft, stretchy carrier that takes the ease of a kind of a one-piece design, but also if you wanted to explore wrapping, it gives you both those qualities. It's totally different than anything else on the market. We're big fans and we've been using them for a very long time. So much so, I used this carrier with my child almost 8 years ago. So it comes in a handy dandy bag that also doubles as part of the carrier. This is a sized carrier. So one of the really important things to note is you're gonna need to find out what size carrier you need for yourself. And if you plan on using it between yourself and a partner, you might need two. So for this carrier, I'm gonna be using a size small. They go down as far as extra, extra small, and they go up to extra, extra large. And we can go into a bit more on the sizing in a bit. So you're gonna want the logo to go along the back. So you're gonna put it through, and then you're gonna slip your arms through like an X. You'll then want to grab your baby. And you're gonna go on the opposite shoulder of the pass that's closest to you, like so. You're gonna just slide baby in, and then on the other side, you're just gonna pull the fabric away, baby goes in. You're just going to now adjust your fabric just a bit. You want baby to be nice and snug around you, but it also needs to be comfortable for you as a wearer. If you're finding that baby is sagging low, that means that you need to size down a carrier. If you're finding that you can't put your baby in, that means you need to size up. You're then going to grab this sash, and you're going to just place it in the center of baby's back, come around and back, and tie. And just like that, you're ready to go. This is the forward-facing in position with the baby Catan. Now we're gonna do the kangaroo position with the baby Catan carrier. So for this position, this is great for like 0 to 3 months and those squishy newborn days. This baby doll is kind of the length of a 6-month-old, so he's not the best for this position, but weight-wise, you wanna be using this in those early days when baby's nice and squishy and they're just gonna be on your chest. So you're gonna place the carrier on like so, and just like the other position, you're going to make an X, just like so. This time, I'm going to pull this fabric down, and I'm going to welcome baby in on my left-hand side. Just like so. And imagine baby being a lot smaller and squishier. I am then going to slip this piece back over my shoulder. And as you can see, baby is now going to be on their side. If they were a newborn, their legs would not be sticking out like this or poking me with their hard plastic feet. And then I'm going to grab the sash. I'm just going to place it over our front. Is that extra measure of support? And just like that, we're ready to go on our adventure.